All right, so we've gotten our chicken. We are in a random ass alley. So I'm gonna show you what we've gotten, and Jesse's gonna give you a little voiceover as to what we have.
Okay, so this is radish. It's a really, really good, actually. Really good radish. It's filled with all the juices, too. You can tell this shit's fresh. Mm-hmm.
Oh, shrimping.
Here we got some extra sauce for our chicken, because sometimes it's not marinated enough. Okay, so we got some utensils. Fork. You never seen what a fork looks like before? That's what it is. Okay, this is the fries. Go ahead and unbox the fries.
We're good.
Okay, fries look good.
Let me try one. You want one?
Yeah, give me. I wash my hands inside.
Still. Look.
Let's hear the crunch. Got some ketchup. Love ketchup. Now here's the main course, what we've all been waiting for, the star of the show.
I drop them all.
Girl, I would honestly eat them off the floor. I don't even care. Look at that. Look at it. Doesn't that just look delicious? Look, grab the fork and do the scrape. Oh, fuck. Ooh, y'all hear how crispy that is?
Let me take a bite. Oh, fuck.
You know what's good when she's not talking?
That's how it's looking. We're gonna put it in the bag. I don't think that's
Oh,
ketchup.
yeah, it is.
Pink. Yeah, at least we got our own.
It's because usually they give us ketchup, you know?
All right, let me dip one in the sauce. Dip it in the sauce.
That good, kitty, make my pet. Yeah, it tastes better. Tastes like the sauce now that you put it in.
Don't judge how we eat, okay? We eat unlike other people. I just don't want to get sick, and I don't want Jessie to get sick, because then she's going to get me sick, and I'm just done being sick. I do not want to get sick anymore.
Definitely need to buy those food trays.
Our next investment, some trays for the car. A little bit of this shit right here. The radish, dude. It's delicious.
Yeah.
You hear that fucking crunch?
This chicken's good. That's good today. This is our first time getting just wings. Pretty good.
Anyways, ready to go. I'm gonna put some YouTube so we can watch some YouTube. We're gonna eat, and then
Hey, I don't think this is just wings.
no, they gave us different ones too.
They hooked us up for real.
Yeah, this is a lot.
I mean, it's 12 pieces, remember? That's what it
It
said.
still is a lot as fuck. Cause I'm so used to like the Americanized version of 12 pieces, the little tiny, tiny baby pieces. We're for real gonna go now. Cause I kind of want to watch some YouTube or some shit.
Just know that we fucking this shit up.